And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can set Spotify song as ringtone in your Android or iOS device. So to set a Spotify song as your ringtone on Android or iOS device, it takes a few extra steps which we are going to discuss in this video. So let's get straight into our video. So as we know, Spotify does not allow direct downloading or ringtone customization from the app due to the DRM protection. Let us discuss about how you can do it from both the platforms. So as an Android user, you need to first of all download the song. Once you have downloaded it, you need to now simply convert it using a third-party app as an MP3. So you can use different kind of third-party apps and use these tools for like personal uses. So once you have done this, once the song is converted, now simply transfer it to the phone's ringtone folder via a USB or cloud storage. After doing this, you can simply go to the settings option and find the sounds and vibrations. And in the ringtone section, you can simply tap on My Sounds or Add Ringtone, then select the MP3 that you have downloaded from Spotify and set it as a default ringtone. So likewise in the iOS, for the iOS user, simply download and convert the song, then create the ringtone in your GarageBand, which is an app from your Apple device. After doing this, simply set it as a ringtone, and by doing this, you can simply set Spotify song as a ringtone in Android or iOS. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.